Adding chapters to your YouTube videos can help your viewers navigate your video to find the exact information they're looking for, or allow them to rewatch specific parts again. Have you ever done a Google search and been presented with a video that was even kind enough to take you to the exact second that started talking about your question? This is from the use of video chapters, and they are super easy to make. You don't have to do anything to the video itself to create them. This feature will automatically be activated when you add chapter information to the description of your video. I mainly use chapters when I'm uploading a how-to style video that talks about multiple subtopics. For example, this video here talking about editing tools I use to enhance my videos. I talk about editing programs, music, graphics or animations, and captions. If someone wants to skip through and only watch the part about animations, they can scroll down to the description of my video and click the active timestamp to take them there. So how do you create them? Chapter information is created using timestamps. There are 3 criteria you need to stick to. Number 1, there must be at least 3 timestamps for the chapter function to work. Number 2, each chapter has to be at least 10 seconds long. And number 3, the first timestamp must be 0. When I upload a video, I will open the original video file on my computer next to my upload screen to reference the timestamp of each chapter I want to feature. But you can add them at any time by going into your video details and editing the description. Try to keep your timestamp description to a couple of words so it's easy for viewers to understand what each chapter is about. If you plan to do this ahead of time, you can even tell your viewers that you've created timestamps at the start of your video. Once I've published or scheduled my video, I'll play it all the way through and check on each timestamp to make sure they are all correct. And that's it. Check out these videos for more tips and techniques. Leave your questions in the comments below so I can answer them for you, and I'll see you next time.